Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Before natin i-start ang inyong June 2024 reading, reminders muna as na hindi to for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to for you, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, this is timeless as well, so just take only what resonates here, guys. Okay? So kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayo mga other channels, so you might want to check those out. So yun, ang mga links po niyan ay nasa description box. So we've got two decks over here, no? And i-shuffle naman na natin both decks before we start reading this. So let's begin. So spirits and angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for Virgo. Tell me something about Virgo's June 2024, please. Virgo's June 2024. Virgo. Okay. So, i-shuffle na rin natin yung deck na ito before we start reading this. Tell me more about Virgo's June 2024, please. Virgo's June 2024. Virgo. Yung iba dyan, mukhang meron ditong pupunta ng concert, event, fan meeting, June. Yan. So, ang alam ko lang no, na fan meeting is kay Ayu. Concert ata yun. No? So, baka may pupunta dyan kay Ayu. Yung iba naman, pwedeng sa ibang mga artists. Yan. Have fun, babes. So, let's see. So, ilatag na muna natin here, Virgo. We have here for you guys this Orenda, honor your mystical creative force. It could be in your early 20s or early 30s, mid-30s, okay? But doesn't have to be. Wala tayong age dito. Minention natin kasi specifically, we got that. You also have here this Oblivion, open your arms. Maaring meron ditong paparating sa inyo and spirits wants you to receive this and be open about this, no? Accepting this, yun. Kung naman itong paparating na to. Pero nakatilikod ka dun, so maaaring ito ay hindi mo alam na paparating sa'yo, no? Or hindi ito ganun ka-welcoming, or maybe this is you are having a hard time dealing with new things. Pero spirits right here are saying that they are right beside you, so they're gonna help you accept this. I think it has something to do with your new beginning. So don't run away from this, Virgo, because whatever is this, with this bouquet right behind you, and it looks like na parang wings ito, this will help you eventually, no? Sa mga paparating rito sa buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano itong parating na to sa'yo, this might be something here that you might not welcome with open arms. But spirits are saying that ito maaaring maging escape mo sa iyong nakaraan, no, para ikaw ay tuluyan ng makalaya, no, sa pagkakagapos rito ng mga past and traumatic events here for you guys. New things yung nakikita ko rito. Sometimes mahirap talagang sabayan yung mga bagong bagay, pero dito, no, nakikita ko rito na kailangan mo na itong sabayan upang magkaroon na rito ng mga positibong pagbabago sa buhay mo. And this might start happening June, no, 2024. We also have here for you guys this Naz, feel loved and proud. Yes, maybe it has something to do with your love life here. Someone here will be proud of you. Maaaring may paparating na rito at makilala ka rito na taong ipagmamalaki ka, no? At mamahalin ka for who you are. Someone here na hindi kailangan baguhin kung sino ka, no? Dahil magiging mahal at magugustuhan ka niya sa pagiging ikaw. And tara, we also have here this buho. Yan, no? Transform the way you see. Yan, mga babes. Ibig sabihin, kung ano yung nakikita mo, no, na hindi maganda, always find happiness from it or always find good in it. No? So, maaaring meron dito mga bagay na pwede makapagpaubos ng pasensya mo sa June or mag-triggers sa'yo, no, na magalit, mainis, mabwisit. Pero, alam mo na, always look for something good in every situation. Always find everything, no, na happy, no? And be accepted about that, no? And we have here the witch. The magic you seek is inside of you. Let it flow. So it looks like the universe right here wants you to know that there is something here coming towards you. You need to listen here with your intuition so that you can hear their voice. Your angels and guides are calling you. So they're really wanting here to get your attention because there's something here with the moon, and you're gonna take this pathway right here. Even though it's dark, the angels are with you and they're gonna accompany you. So whatever the case may be, it could be anything, but love life is also one of the significant things I'm seeing that's gonna happen here starting this June 2024. Let's go ahead and make latag naman this one. Here we have here the star. Yes, this is a wish fulfillment here. Something that you've wished all your life. Seven of brushes, pens right here. But I mentioned four. So I do pick up na meron ditong healing sa mga tao na nandaya at nanloko sa'yo, especially sa kanilang mga binitiwang salita. No, nag-heal ka na. No, parang kung sino pa rito yung parang mga taong nandaya sa'yo, no? Mga tao rito na pwedeng nanggoyo, nanloko sa'yo, no? Doesn't have to be na love life lang yun. It could be anyone here, no? Nag-heal ka na from that, no? Especially, hindi naman talaga yung pinakaginawa nila yung nakasakit sa'yo, eh. Ang pinaka nakasakit sa'yo, no, is yung mga salitang mismong nanggaling sa bibig nila, no? And I think you once were close with these people here, no? Pero nag-heal ka na. We have here this Two of Records energy. We also have here this, the Shadow or the Double energy. Strength card. Ten of Wands. Yes, dropping of the burdens here. Releasing something here. Achieving balance. Just discard energy. Seven of brushes, and there's this beautiful 10 of coins energy. So I do see, okay, let's put it here. Hindi lang love life mo magbabago, Virgo, kundi ang takbo ng pera mo. So kung previously lamang is feeling mo you are holding on tight with your money, that is changing. I'm seeing two opportunities right here. Two opportunities na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. Pwedeng yan ay pagpipilian, no, ng mga trabaho, at yung isa naman, no, is pwedeng maging sideline or racket mo. So, nakikita ko rito na dahil dyan, unti-unti mo rito na mababawasan, no, maaring iba may pagkakautang or may kailangan bayaran, hinuhulugan, mga ganun, no. So, nakita ko unti-unti mababawasan at maglalaho rito yung mga problema about money and coins. Nakikita ko rito na magiging ngiting tagumpay ka because money will be coming your way. And saving, ay nakikita ko rito na magagawa mo na finally, Virgo. I'm seeing you smiling right here na actually sa classic tarot, ang Two of Coins energy is doubting, no? Hindi alam, nag-back and forth decision. Pero dito, looks like your face is really calm. You know what to do. May choices man, pero meron ng mas nakakaangat, isn't it? You are holding this two disc differently, and yung isa is mas nakakaangat. So, nakikita ko rito that you will definitely choose. Alam mo itong mga background na bubbles with color, na different multiple colors yan. Nakikita ko dito na itong pipiliin mo na to magdadala sa'yo sa Ten of Coins energy, ang magiging dahilan kung bakit marirelease mo na ang lahat ng problema mo when it comes to your coins and money. And I do see, excuse me, that balance when it comes to your life is start to turn, no? Magkakaroon na rito ng balance sa buhay mo, no? Nilalaban mo na ito ngayon with the Seven of Wands energy. So, finally, no? This is you, magwo-work out na yung mga pinaghirapan mo before. And I'm seeing you harvesting and receiving all of this, Virgo. And aside from that, I'm picking up that this is you, okay? Nakikita ko rito na something tempting is coming into your life. And this might be a love life here. You might feel like that you wanna run away, you want to avoid this new person here, but you just can't help yourself na ma-attract dito sa person na to. This person here is like a big magnet na nahahatak ka niya sa kanya. no? So, maaaring sa umpisa hindi mo siya magustuhan agad, maaaring sa umpisa, no, hindi siya yung feeling mo, "Ay, hindi 'to para sa'kin. Ay, itong person na 'to hindi ko nakikita 'to na makakasama ko forever," no? Pero nakikita ko dito na siya yung person rito, no, na supposedly talaga na dapat mailagay sa buhay mo. So, maaaring magkaiba kayo rito ng pamumuhay, beliefs, tradisyon, paniniwala. Tignan mo 'yan, ayan, oh. 'Di ba tao 'to ta's ito jellyfish. So, hindi ko sinasabi rito na jellyfish yung magiging person ninyo, pero with this, I do pick up that this is someone here who will be flexible, okay, like a jellyfish. Okay, you're gonna dance with this person here in any tune or rhythm or music of life with you, and you will feel so relaxed. This is like something here that's too good to be true. But with the star, this is a wish fulfillment here. This is one of your wish. You will start to see this person here in a different light as you move on to the consecutive months this year 2024. No? So, sunod na yan starting June. So, just take how this resonates. Pero nakita ko dito that, okay, sa umpisa pwedeng hindi mo siya magustuhan, pero I think you will fall hard with this person here together with this shadow. This is so tempting. Like, you just can't, hindi mo na mamalayan yung oras na masaya lang kayo together. No? Nakikita ko rito, yung pagsasama ninyo, this is like just crazy. No? So, we're gonna bring out the best from each other, and I'm seeing you gladly accepting this person here with open arms, no, sa mga susunod na mga months. And I think, no, sa last quarter ng 2024, I'm seeing you na wala na yung awkwardness, hindi ka na nahihiya sa kanya, komportable na kayo sa isa't isa, no, like, I do see you right here that maaari mo na rin ditong masabi sa sarili mo, no, na I think this is the one for me. Yes, no, as fast as that, Miss Yan, yes. Kasi alam mo, pag feelings and emotions ang ginamit mo, mararamdaman mo talaga, no, na pagmamahal yan. Yan. So, nakita ko rin dito, maliban dyan, Virgo, meron kayo ditong kailangan na protektahan. So, kung ano man itong kailangan ninyong protektahan rito, I think it has something to do with your property and resources. And maaring kuhain or makuha ito ng someone here around you. So, be mindful of your resources. Pwedeng literal yan na property na nahahawakan, bagay na nahahawakan, pero yung iba pwedeng ideas yan or concept mo na maaaring manakaw sa'yo. Someone around you, close to you. And be cautious as well, kasi iba sa inyo pinagkakatiwalaan niyo yan. Pero nakita ko rito na pwede yung maging traitor. So, be mindful of that, Virgo, yung nakikita ko rito. Pag pangarap ang pinag-uusapan at makikita niya yan bilang isang oportunidad, wala siya ritong sino-sino or wala siya ritong sasantuhin, no, kahit ikaw pa. Okay? So, yung nakikita ko dito. Yeah, I know. But just keep it to yourself. No? Mas maganda nga kung lahat, no, ilalagay mo sa cellphone mo. No? Noon kasi yung diary, uso yun, tas may padlock, di ba? Ganun pa rin ata ang tinitinda ngayon, no, na ganun. Pero mas maganda ko sa phone nyo na lang, no, tapos lagyan nyo ng password yung phone ninyo kung gusto niyo mag-notes ng mga ideas, no, and mga concepts ninyo, no. Kasi nakita ko rito na magnanakaw, eh. Yan, no. Ang mga magnanakaw talaga hindi na yun nag-iisip, hindi niya tinitingnan kung sino yung pagnanakawan niya, no, kung mahina ba yun o malakas, no, maganda, or what, no, pero whatever the case may be, no, may magnanakaw dito, and I don't want this person here to take away something precious, no, from you, you know, kasi dito, ito ha, very specific, pero not for all of you. Kung buong bag man ang tatangayin niya rito, meron dyan na sentimental na bagay na nasa loob ng bag na yun yung pinakaingat-ingatan mo. Posibleng kwintas, na binigay sa'yo ng mama mo, or binigay sa'yo ng person mo, yung mga ganon. No? So, para maiwasan yan, just, keep it to yourself. Keep it near you, no? So that you can protect it. Yung iba pera yan, iba ideas and concepts. Yes, nananakaw po yun, lalo na ng mga hapit sa recognition, lalo na yung mga gustong ma-promote, no? Kunwari ka nila yung idea pero di naman pala. Yan. So, nakita ko dito, no, na pagdating sa kaperahan, gumaganda rin yung takbo ng pera or money mo. Nakita ko dito na yung iba, parang meron ditong negosyo na itutuloy mo, ipapatuloy na sa'yo rito ng parents mo. So, either may negosyo kayo niyan, tapos magdadagdag pa ng isa, pero ikaw na yung papa-handle niyan. Parang gano'n yung nakuha natin dito, no? So, hindi ko alam, pero maaaring yan na may kinalaman sa pagkain, no? So, iba sa inyo, just take how this resonates. It could be any negosyo, okay? So, nakita ko dito, no, na meron ditong bagay na talagang magiging interesante, napaka-interesante sa'yo. At nakikita ko, no, na ilalaan mo yung oras mo dun. So, yung iba, love life ito, no, plus meron ka pa ritong mga iniisip na gawin, puwedeng kasama yung tao na yun, no, or parang may collaboration tayo nakikita rito, no. So, puwede ring meron ditong mag-partner na gustong magnegosyo at nakikita ko na kung gagawin niyo yan, maganda yung outcome or positibo yung outcome nakikita natin dito, no. And nakikita ko din dito, no, na meron dito na posibleng magkaroon ng argument sa office pero ang maganda, kakampihan ka ng boss mo. Yan, 'no. Diretsahan na talaga. Kakampihan ka ng boss mo rito 'no, kasi alam niya kung paano ka magtrabaho. Kaya kung meron man dito sa office ninyo na magkakaroon ng argument at ikaw yung main character diyan or dinadawit diyan, I'm seeing may pagtatanggol ka ng boss mo. Your boss will believe in you. Someone higher than you will believe in you. Yun yung sinasabi sa akin dito, Virgo. Ang taray, 'no? Dito naman sa Oblivion, huwag kayong matakot mga babes 'no, na mag-try ng mga bagong bagay. Kasi diyan sa mga bagong bagay 'no, yun yung mga nagbibigay sa'tin ng excitement 'no, at nagdadala ng kulay sa buhay natin 'no. Huwag kayong matakot na i-try yan 'no, you only live once 'no. Start experiencing here new things kasi nakikita ko dito yung mga new things na yan, yan yung mga new things na mga pinapangarap at higit pa sa pinapangarap mo, Virgo. Kaya naman, ano pang muli waitings mo na claim these beautiful messages right here. Thank you so much for your time and sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.